welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanna Renee. Make sure you consider subscribing to my channel down below. I put out new beauty/lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday-ish. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be creating this beautiful ombre cut crease for you guys. This is so cute, and I know we just had Valentine's Day and all that. It's actually Valentine's Day when I'm filming this. Shh. But I still wanted to do a cute little pink and purple glam cut crease for you guys, and I think it came out beautiful. I put some glitter on the outside of the wings, and I'm so proud of it, guys. Like, oh my gosh. I think it came out really nice, and yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Comment down below what you would like to see next from me. I'm getting to that little creative funk where I don't really know what to put out. So if you guys want to suggest videos for me, that would be amazing. Thank you guys so much for all the support so far, and let's just get right into this video because I'm so excited. This is so pretty, guys. Look at it. It's beautiful. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, I already primed my eyes and I used the Maybelline Dream Brightening Concealer. It's a creamy concealer and I just used it on my eye. Okay guys, so I literally just taped up my eyes, and I do this just so I can get a sharp line. Okay guys, so first things first, for this eyeshadow look, we are going to do a cut crease. I know I normally don't start with cut creases right away, but today we are going to. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I just transfer it over to this little tiny brush so I can get very precise. Okay, so once that is on, I'm going to be starting with, I think I'm starting with the lightest shade, which is this one. This is in the Bella Noir Trophy eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to slightly wet my little brush that I have here. So if you guys can see what I'm doing, I'm just layering the eyeshadow on top. Alright, so the next shade I think I'm going to go in with is this darker shade. It's a little bit darker than the one I just used. Okay, so now from the B&H Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette, I'm going to be using this bright pink shade. Okay, so now for the end, I think I'm going to be taking this very warm maroon. Okay guys, I finished blending, and this is pretty much what we're working with. I'm gonna go in with some glitter now, and I'm gonna be taking some lash glue and just applying a little bit of glitter. So I'm just gonna be taking this teensy tiny brush right here, using this lash glue to line the upper part of where I did and the outer wing. So let's first start with the outer wing. And then I'm going to be going in with this dark glitter right here. Just picking that up. You could also use glitter liner for this, but I do not have glitter liner at the moment, so I am making do with what I have. Okay guys, this is pretty much what we're working with for the eye, and I will go in and do my other eye, and I will be back to show you guys the final look. Let's go. Alrighty guys, this is the final completed look. I absolutely love this. Oh my gosh, this took forever though. This is so beautiful. If you guys want to see more looks like this, I can definitely do this because I loved this. I love this more than actual eyeshadow. Like, this cut crease was so much fun to do, and if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It's a little bit different than I normally do because I just did my eyeshadow. I didn't do my whole face for you guys, but yeah. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! That was really awkward, okay.